Good morning. Sorry my hair is a mess. What's new? Nothing. I'm going to Woolworths or Coles because I need to get a cake for content for Matchy's second birthday. That is on Thursday. And also when the collection, the brown Chocolate Gingham collection launches. Well, print. It's not a collection, it's just a print. Because I'm probably just doing prints this year, not collections. But yeah. I gotta go get a cake and I'm gonna get a coffee. And I also have to go and get something else that I've forgotten, but it will come to me. So let's go do that. Thinking that one. So I say hi. I might just get this one. Actually, I'm gonna get this. Okay, so someone tell me why I got an apple pie. I mean, apple pie is my favorite and it's probably like matches the aesthetic. I can't deal with those mini tiny cakes. So I got this. It's a lettuce apple pie, which is super cozy, country cottage aesthetic. Hopefully it has a crust so I can take that like edge thing off. And it has to be baked. So I'm gonna bake it, obviously. But that's the only thing that makes it look not handmade. And I got some whipped cream because I'm gonna put like the two on it and hopefully it'll like melt. That'll be cute. Hopefully. And I got a coffee with a little biscuit that is like a coffee bean. That's cute. It's like caramel. Alright, I think that's all I need to get. There was something else I needed, but I forgot. Anyway, I'm just gonna head home and hopefully it's not important. So in an hour and a half, it's 8:30 now, the gingham goes live, so I have to shut the website down because I'm adding to the already existing products as opposed to having them scheduled. So I do have to close the website, and I'm also going to change out the banner image, which is fun. I'm also going to be sending a very important email. I did something yesterday that I didn't vlog. Yeah, which is a little bit crazy to even think about. So that's what I'm actually going to be doing right now. And I'm also just like in a place of reflection because so many changes are happening. And I really need to work on another print. So I'm going to do that today. I've just had to shut the door of the garage, so excuse the lighting, but I'm just going to take to the post office now everything that was in stock and ready to go from the launch, which is all these ones here, which I'm so grateful for. The chocolate definitely went a lot better than just the laptop sleeves. And there's been a few tote orders and also personalized ones, which aren't obviously here because I have to make them up. So I'm going to go take these now, just to get them all off and ready to go. And then I'm going to come back and work on some personal items. So yeah, I'll see you when I get back. This just arrived in the mail, so I'm going to open it. Eat! Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bias binding rolls. Will probably last me a week. It goes so quickly. Alright, on the agenda today, I have to make some tote bags, finish them off, and then getting into making laptop sleeves. I guess I'll end the vlog here, and I hope you all have a fantastic week. And yeah, see you next Monday. Bye.